Do you want to study for long hours, but you end up by getting tired? So no worries, I am back with the most effective techniques for you, so let's start. Point number 1. Study in slots. Divide your study hours into slots. These slots will be a dedicated period of time in which you should commit to yourself that you are going to give undivided attention to the study material in hand. This period can be of any duration, whichever suits you the best. Point number 2. Take breaks. You need to take breaks between the study slots because it will refresh your brain and body, as well as increase your productivity and focus. Remember, don't extend your breaks for long, as you might enter a zone of comfort, and coming out of it will be very tough. Point number 3. Eat the frog first. The subject or topics which you find difficult should be dealt with in the first or the initial slots, because when you're about to reach your limits, your favorite subjects will keep you alive and motivated. Point number 4. Be out of comfort zone. You need to come out of the comfort zone, because comfort is a shut-off switch for your brain. If you want to maximize your learning, you need to make sure that you are doing hard things 70% of the time. Point number 5. Hydrate yourself. Our brain is roughly 75% water, and when it's functioning on a full tank, you will be able to think more clearly, increase your ability to focus, and experience greater clarity and creativity. That's all, and I guarantee you, if you follow all the 5 points, you will start enjoying study. If you liked it, then please do subscribe, and mention your valuable feedbacks in the comments section.